Welcome to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to go in great detail and talk about a very interesting project called the Lion King at Job. LionKingAtJob.com is the website. I'm going to put the link of it in the description below. You can head over there and check it out. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the reward system, the roadmap, and the team. And it's a very interesting project. And the best thing I like about the project is the fact that there's a lot of attention to detail that has gone into creating the NFT in itself. And that is clearly visible in the actual NFT art, which is clearly displayed on the homepage. No matter what the conditions are in the forest, the lion never eats grass. Their NFT project is a reward based, and the collection includes 10,000 unique lions from 100 royals and 50 different professions. The lions live on the Ethereum blockchain. Now, the reward system is very interesting because the system is as follows. Now, the great reward for each NFT is from the royal family. After their collection is available for the community sale, they will purchase each NFT included in the reward system via the Opensea by bidding. Now, the total reward is 177 Ethereum, where the king has 15 Ethereum, the queen has 15 Ethereum, the dukes and duchesses has 4 or 5 Ethereum, and 84 guardian have 1 Ethereum. And you can buy, if you can come across a guardian, you can earn 1 Ethereum. Now, the thing that I dislike about the website is the fact that there is not a lot of images that are available that you can clearly see. Now, as you can see, I'm loading the images, but they are not easily loaded. Now, that is an issue with this particular project, and I feel that needs to be addressed by the project developers and obviously the individuals that are looking after the website. The purpose of my videos is to give you a breakdown of different projects and obviously the strengths and weaknesses in the project. Now, the project for the Lion King at Job is interesting, but as you can see, there is a basic problem where nothing can be viewed, and obviously that needs to be fixed. Now, once we actually go and it takes times to load, and we actually have to put and click on load the image, and it takes a lot of time to actually load, which should not be there. So this is definitely an issue that needs to be fixed. My recommendation is to go back to the drawing board, check your website, and make sure whenever an NFT enthusiast comes, they can easily view all the different NFT that you have available. And looking at the roadmap, you can explore thousands of digital arts and collectibles, and the roadmap short description is given. I like the fact that they've put on a lot of aesthetic sense when it comes to building this particular website, but there's a lot of elements that are missing. For example, when you talk about the roadmap, one of the major things that needs to be seen is the fact that where is the links to each element. When you talk about the fourth quarter in 2021 with the creation of the Lion King at the Job project and gathering the team and the starting of the work, there needs to be an element that has information that can be clicked on. It could go to the white paper, it could go to more features, it could go to more information or read more about this particular area. Then you talk about the defining the royal family and the profession groups and creating the reward system. Again, it needs to be linked, and that is missing. Now, the general roadmap has the information generally, but there needs to be more description in detail information about exactly what's going on. Now, this is one of the factors that need to be considered whenever you're investing in a project. That what is the utility of that project? What are you going to get back from that project? There is a reward system that they mentioned, but what more does it have? And I feel that a project that does not describe or give that information to their viewers, to their NFT enthusiasts, to individuals that want to invest in a good project, a project that has potential, they miss out on those individuals. And obviously the main place that you're going to get information is the roadmap. If you look at the big names in the industry, either be the Bored Ape Yacht Club, the Meta Avatars, or Invisible Friends, you can clearly see that these are projects that understand the dynamics, they understand the information, they understand the way the information is to be presented to individuals, and obviously based on that you can create a fan base that understands where the project is heading and what the power of the project is going to be. And then looking at the first quarter of 2023, where they say that 2023 roadmap is going to be published, there needs to be some more information, and that is something I'm going to mark this particular area down on. So I'm going to give this a 5 out of 10. I feel it needs to be improved. If I scroll back up, you'll see the images are still not loaded, and we've been on the page for some time. So this is again something that they're lacking. So again, this is going to get at least a 3 out of 10. The information is there, but obviously the pictures are not, so they need to improve that drastically. So this is the first step that they need to improve on. Now, meet the crew. No matter what the conditions are in the forest, the lion never eats grass. Now, they've already mentioned that, they've already said that, and they don't need to repeat it, and I feel the content is not there. So content creation, content information, content development is something that they need to look at, and obviously the Lion King at the Job is missing this in their project. So again, when we talk about the crew information, the animators over here, but the real picture of the animator needs to be there. The social media handles need to be available, and they're missing, and as you can see, it's not loaded. it up. We can't see this individual. So this is a project that has potential. This is a project that's playing on the game of the Lion King. This is a project where it's using the enthusiasm of individuals that are connected with the Lion King, but they need to give more. They need to have elements that are unique. They need to develop the elements in a further understanding. They could use different elements from the Lion King. It doesn't necessarily need to be applied from the perspective of just the Lion King. So they say you need more information, follow them on Twitter, email them, and join their Discord. Now the thing that's missing over here is their Instagram. Now you need to make sure that there are multiple social media handles are present to ensure that more information can come. Looking at the FAQs, I personally feel that they've covered basic information, but more information can be given, and it needs to be displayed right on the top over here. Now again, as I scroll up, none of the pictures have been uploaded, so I will highly suggest to go back to the drawing board to ensure that the information that you're being providing, the information that you're giving, the information that you want to share is up to date. There's more information that's given, so more information can be known about this particular project. When can I mint it? The pre-sale, the public sale is going to be announced. It should be mentioned when it's going to be announced, not it's going to be announced soon. So that needs to be fixed out. What's the blockchain? Is on the Ethereum blockchain. How can I mint a NFT? The simplest way of minting the NFT is downloading the MetaMask extension on your browser and connecting your Ethereum wallet to it. So let's go scroll up and see if they're given an option of the wallet where we can connect. Now let us see over here. They say mint, and once we click on mint, let's see where it takes us. It takes us to this page which is empty. It says mint.lionking@job.com, but there's nothing on this page, and that is a problem with the project. So basically they need to have an option where you can connect your wallet from here, because they say that you can connect your wallet, so they need to give an option of how we need to connect that wallet and information in regards to that. Now as you can see, some of these images are being uploaded right now, but they're taking a lot of time. So again, they need to optimize their website so we can get information, and they need to put real pictures of individuals with their social media handles to ensure that we can go and find who these people are and what project that they've been working on. Where can I see the Lion King at job after minting? Once you have successfully minted, you'll be connected to your Opensea wallet. How do I contact the team? You can contact the team on Discord. Again, what is the reward system? Great rewards for each NFT from the royal family, but we're not seeing the utility, and that is something that is essential, that if you want to invest in a project, you need to understand the utility. Now this part over here, I don't understand what the purpose of this is. This seems out of place. This does not seem well established. This does not seem well put together, and obviously I'm going to down mark this a lot to at least 1 out of 10 because I feel this is misplaced. It should not be there. And obviously as I scroll down, there is a lot of things that are missing over here. I don't understand why they've created a website that is so weak. So guys, if you're thinking about investing in a project, you got to do your research. And obviously I'm going to say something to the team that developed this particular project to go back to the drawing board and understand what you need to put into a system. Do some research, check out different projects that are existing, and obviously the strength of those particular projects, and comparing them and developing them from that perspective, you can actually get a project that has the potential to make it really big in the industry. Remember guys, the purpose of my video is to give you guys a chance to understand what strength and weaknesses projects tend to have, and based on that element, only then should you invest in a project. If you want more information, you can always contact me directly. My WhatsApp is available in the About Us section of my channel. If you have any questions whatsoever, you can also comment in the comment section below on YouTube and Facebook, and I will definitely reply back to you. You can also join our WhatsApp group. The link of the WhatsApp group is going to be in the description of this video on my channel, The Educational Network. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss any of the videos that I'm making and bringing to you guys. Stay tuned for my next video. Until then, take care.